Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store, and here on the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. After that, just open the app here, click yes I agree, pick close, on the left down corner tap to OK, and now you can see here the section with information about our device temperature. In my case that's 32 and 7 degrees, and also here we got other information like the device model, Android version, and more and other info like the battery level, the health, the capacity, and more just other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.